Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox error. Roblox encountered an unexpected error. Click OK to create support files and then please share it on our site roblox.com/support. So if you're getting this error in Roblox, then here follow the steps to solve this error. First of all, in Windows search type Windows Security and open it. And then click on App and Browser Control. Then under exploit protection, you will see exploit protection settings. Click on it and then go to the program settings and then click on add program to customize. Click on this plus icon and then select choose exact file path. Now open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then open file explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder and then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then you will see this app data folder. Open app data folder over here, then open local folder, scroll down. Here look for the Roblox folder. Open the Roblox folder and then open the versions folder. Now here you will see this version folder name with random alphanumeric name. Now if there are more version folder, then you have to select the latest version folder. So open the latest version folder, scroll down and here you will see Roblox player beta. Select it and then click on open. Now after adding it, you will see this type of pop-up. Now scroll down. Now here you will see control flow guard. Just enable it and make sure to turn it off. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Then scroll down. Here you will see hardware enforce stack protection. Again enable it and make sure it is turned off. If it is turned on, then turn it off. So you have to basically take two options, hardware enforce stack protection and make sure it is turned off, and then control flow guard, enable it and then make sure it is turned off and then click on hit apply. Click yes to allow and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your error is fixed or not. This fix will definitely solve this error. So I hope by following these steps, you can easily solve Roblox error. Roblox encountered an unexpected error. So that's all for this video.